Writing. Obsidian magma core effect. Create a dramatic obsidian magma core tate effect in Pelab with a dark, luxurious volcanic aesthetic. Isa a deep black background with a subtle smoky gradients and fine volcanic haze. Bijlbold, Jafai typography with a glossy obsidian surface, sharp metallic reflections, and realistic dimensional depth. Add intense orange red magma glowing from inside the letters, especially around the edges and deeper cracks. Create irregular molten fractures across selected parts of the tate, isenbrugget eilovete hegligits at the hottest points. Add soft orange outer glove, realistic shadows, stuttered sparks, tiny embers, and floating as particles around the composition. Enhance the design with a blur,